My name is Squadron Leader Chris Wilson and I'm the Media Officer at RAF Cosford. I also sit on the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund Committee, and we come together on a regular basis to try to come up with different and innovative ways to try and promote the fund and to raise awareness of the fund's work. We've organised lots of different events. We've had cake sales, we've had car washes in the freezing cold in December, we've had aircraft night shoots where we've pulled out our aircraft, put them on the runway and invited aircraft enthusiasts to come in and photograph them. More recently, to coincide with the Dam Busters' 75th anniversary, we've also held an event on the airfield where hundreds of people came together to do a sponsored walk, and that raised tens of thousands of pounds for the fund.
RAF Benevolent Fund Committee has been absolutely phenomenal with the work that it's done to support the fund. They've raised some fantastic awareness of what the charity does, along with some brilliant funds back to the charity. From everybody at the RAF Benevolent Fund, we want to say thank you. Thank you.